Oh, good morning once again, good afternoon, good night, wherever you're watching this video from. My name is Ikena Victor Agida. It's 6:12 a.m. here, and you see, for the love of this business, I'm always thinking about Longrich. So, I decided to drop this video to show you how you can make 6 to 7 figures with a 9,800 investment on Longrich. Now, the reason for making this video is because there are people out there who might not be able to become a stockist, senior stockist with 8.5 million, or the junior stockist with 3 million. They can do the 750. They can do the 320. They can do the 100 or 50 or 25. Now, Longrich is saying we want as many people as possible to be able to join our business. So they introduced the 9,800 plan. It's called the starter pack. And now the essence of bringing this pack is to be able to, help you to make some money so that you can upgrade, right? You make some money from it so that you can upgrade and, you know, do the Q silver, the silver, or to the gold, or VIP, or whatever. Now, now, uh, my name, as you already know, is Victor Ikena Agena, and I'm a Diamond 4 partner with Longrich. As at today, 6th of January. Today is 6th. Sorry, as at today is 7th of January. I'm a Diamond 4 member. Maybe my next video, I'll be a Diamond 5. So, this is a brief introduction about what the Longrich business is. It's a bioscience, company located in the Longrich Bio Industrial Park. Is one of the companies that manufactures products, health products, cosmetics, household, and all that they manufacture for different companies. That was their initial um, vision, their initial plan. It was to manufacture products for big, big, big companies. So now, Long Beach has more than 12,000 employees, and 35% of them are doctors, students, and all that. This is just to show how credible the company is now. But they are saying instead of just manufacturing for these big, big, big companies, and instead of just having to do business with like other big multinationals, why can't we bring our business down to the common man? You know, bring our business to these people so that they can become partners with us and enjoy good health and make money. So with that, they developed a plan, and the plan is to help them, spread into many countries and to help, people who want the business that they could do without, not necessarily it stopping whatever it is they are doing. So develop the business plan for me and for you to make good money. Now, the major reason you should join these businesses, I'm giving both ways like 50-50 because good health is important, more money is important. You should pay attention to this thing. They say health is wealth. 90% of the deaths that have happened could have been avoided with the right products. So Longrich provides us with, very, very wonderful products. I used the calcium, I went to play ball, I fell and broke my bone. I've been using the calcium. They have a whole lot of products that caters to different health ailments. They have product combinations for diabetes, they have product combinations for high blood pressure, they have product combinations for weight loss, they have products for rheumatism and all. Like they have products that can solve almost all major health ailments. Now, more money. Longrich is saying We want to help you make money. What you need to do is to share this amazing business with other people. And when you do that, and of course, when you do that, when you share with them and they sign up, they're going to get products. And when you keep on doing that, it means you're actually bringing business to the company, and the company is making money, and the company is saying we want to compensate you for bringing people, for telling your friends about this amazing opportunity. Do you understand? So I mean, when there's a new KFC in your area and you tell your friend, hey, there's a new KFC, or maybe there's a new bar, you tell your friend, man, they do good fish. Then Kobe is top notch. Like, if you chop down Kobe, if you see another one, you would run. That kind of stuff. You tend to promote, tell people about, new stuffs happening in your area and you don't get paid. But Longrich is saying, tell your friends how amazing our products are and will compensate you money with cars, with houses, with travels, with education and all that. So Longrich has a whole lot of products. Now this is a price list of Longrich products. And as you can see, if you can observe, there's what they call PV. PV is the unit or the currency of Longrich. As a matter of fact, the more PVs you have, the more money you will be paid every week. You understand? So the PV is our goal in this business. Your goal in the business is to generate PV, yes, because PV brings about money. Now, as you can see, the wine has 10 PV, 7,002. This is the retail price, how much you can sell. Cordyceps, 70 PV, 29,900. You can sell for 34,350 and all that. Atro, this one is for rheumatism, has 22.5 PV. The unit price is 7,009. You can sell for whatever price you want to sell. Now, this is Menkian for fertility, female fertility. This is Lebao for fertility and all that. So, these are all the products. You can actually pause the video to take a look at all the products that Longrich has, and each of them perform like different functions. So, I don't have enough time to start going through what they all do, but I can point you to a link where you can get more information, or you can just simply Google each of them. Whichever one you can just Google each of them to see what they do. Or I can attach a list that shows you what they can do. Now, these are the entry levels. We'll be talking about the 9,800 plan, extensively, but I just wanted to put you through the different entry levels and the long rate business. Now, how the stock is, senior stock is 8.5 million. Now, as a senior stock is, it pays you 6% of the total sales generated from your shop every month. So, at the end of the month, now for this senior stockist stuff, for those of you that don't like doing the referral thing, this senior stockist stuff, all you need to have is a shop and your money, right? When you pay into the Longrich account, they take a look at where your shop is to tell you if that area is okay for you to commence business. Or otherwise, after you pay, you can just do some kind of verification. So they tell you, okay, you can have a shop here. Now they pay you 6% of the total sales generated from your shop every month. The junior stock is, the company pays you 4% of the total sales generated from your shop every month. Those are just the two that require shops. Now the VIP. VIP, you enjoy 1% global share, profit share of the company from 188 countries. Very Longrich operates plus 12% weekly bonus of the activities of your team. Like this 12% is paid on the activity. What I mean by activities, the job by your team members, referrals, product purchases, and all that. They'll have the platinum. A platinum, you earn 12% weekly performance bonus of the total PVs generated by your team, yourself and your team in a week. Now I have the gold 240, you earn 10% weekly bonus of the total PVs generated by yourself and team members every week. Then we have a silver, which is 50,000 naira for one. You get 120 PVs. You earn 8% weekly bonus. The Q silver is 60 PVs. It's 25,000. You earn 8% of the total PVs generated by yourself and your team. Then the starter combo is 9,000 each. It's just 4 PVs. Now, like I explained earlier, Longrich brought out this plan so that you can, be able to, refer people with the same plan, and you earn 2,700 per referral. Now, the essence of doing this is, like I said, for you to be able to make some money so that you can now upgrade to the Q silver or a silver or a gold or whatever. Now, this is what happens in your first generation. What this means is when you refer the first three people, for everybody you refer on your first generation, on the eyes of your first three legs, you get 2,900 times 3, 8,007. Your second generation means those three people that you referred, when they refer people, you get 700 each times 9 because 333 is 9. Now, on this second level, you get 6,003. On your third generation, when those people that referred those other people, these ones now referred these people, you get 1,004 times 27 people. So you'd have earned like 37,800. Now, once you are able to earn this money, the next thing for you to do is to upgrade to a Q silver so that you'll be able to at least get 8% from this bonus, because at this level you can only make money, you can only earn from the 9,800 registration. Even if you refer somebody else that does a Q silver or a VIP or whatever, you are not going to earn anything. The only thing that will count for you will be like the PVs, the group PVs that will count for you, but you're not going to earn any money. So, this explains, what will happen when you bring your tree and encourage them to bring their own tree. Now, the starter combo, we have the starter combo A and starter combo B. These are the products, and these products are fixed. Like, either you're choosing A, mosquito repellent, toothpaste, body cream, hand cream, choosing B, calcium, white tea, repellent, and paste. Now, the choice is yours. As soon as you make payment to the Longrich bank account and your activation, your registration is done, you have access. You can pick up your products from the stockist close by. Now, what next? Next step is for you to make payment. Um, After you make payment to the account, you fill this form and send it back to the person who shared this video with you. If you're watching it right now, there's an option below for you to fill the form and send it back to me. Now, why join our team? We provide you with training that will help you grow your team as well. We provide you with spillover, like we have lots of people joining, so on. And I mean, I can't just get everybody, I have to fix them under somebody. As a member of our team, you'll be able to grow and develop yourself. Now, these are the avenues that can help you, you know, get people to join your business and to grow your team into a 6 to 7 figure income business every week. We have scripts for you can use to broadcast on your WhatsApp. We have videos on Facebook marketing. We also have we run Google ads. And this we have been able to get like lots of people to join our team. So now that you know this, the next step is for you to fill the form, send the money to the Longrich account, and get back to the person who shared this video with you. Now the plan is to start with a 9,800 plan. After you start with the 9,800 plan, you upgrade to the silver. When you upgrade to the silver, then using the strategies that we are going to share with you as a member of our team, you will be able to make 6 to 7 figures every month, because we're going to teach you how to generate PVs, how to register people, how to get people to join your team. And when they join, the more they join, the more PVs you're getting, and the more PVs you're getting, the more money you're making. People make up to 1 million naira, 1.5, 800, 500, 100. Now it depends on the volume of people coming into your business, and we're going to teach you right how to do that. Let's talk. I'll get back to the person that shared.